I know the last video cut off a little bit, so if you don't need this, go ahead and fast forward through it, but let me go ahead and redo this problem here. So if I'm looking at example 3, okay, what we need to see is we're going to have to find the apothem, which I'll call x, and we're going to have to find, I'm going to call y, this part of that triangle here. So let me draw this. If you do n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, we have 10 sides, so that is 8 times 180 divided by 10, I get 144. That means each angle, interior angle in this decagon is 144. We have to cut that in half to find this base angle right here. So that is 72. So here's my picture of my triangle, and I need to find x and I need to find y. X is going to be my apothem, but the formula 1/2 AP, so x is going to be my apothem. Y, remember y is only half of one side, and so we need the perimeter, and there's 10 sides, but that's half, so I'm going to multiply y times 20 to get my perimeter. So I have two different trig functions to set up. I need one for x and I need one for y. The measurement that we're given is the hypotenuse is 4. So if I put the sine of 72 equals x over 4, I can find the apothem. And if I use the cosine of 72 equals y over 4, I can find y, and then I'm going to multiply that times 20 for my perimeter. So in this first one here, I'm going to multiply 4 times the sine of 72, using my calculator. 4 times the sine of 72 is 3.8. Change colors here. So y is 3.8. I mean, x is 3.8. Okay? And then I'm going to do 4 times the cosine of 72. And I get 1.23. But I'm going to multiply that times 20. And I get 24.7. So my formula 1/2, the apothem 3.8, times the perimeter 24.7. So times 3.8 divided by 2, or times 1/2, is 46.97. So I'm just going to go ahead and round that off to 47. All right, let's look at the quick check. Now the quick check's a little bit nicer